Now we will study the summary of the chapter Raju's Hero. On a Saturday afternoon, Raju was feeling very upset. Why he was upset? Because he was sitting in an armchair on a cushioned stool for hours. He had been sitting in an armchair on a cushioned stool for some time. He was sitting like this because his leg has been fractured due to falling off his bicycle. He had fallen down a bicycle and his leg was fractured. Raju was more upset because his father, elder brother Rajan, and he had planned to go to watch a test match between India and Australia, which was going to take place in their city only. It was going to be his first live cricket match in his city, and Sachin Tendulkar was playing for India. But his plan got ruined due to his leg fracture. Now, Raju had to stay home and watch the live telecast of match on television. Raju's brother Rajan brought some popcorn and chocolate cake for him so that he could enjoy the match at home only. Rajan said that he would try to bring an autograph of Sachin Tendulkar. When they went, Raju switched on the TV and the match began. He enjoyed the chocolate cake and popcorns as he watched this match. When his father and Rajan returned home, they were very happy. They praised Sachin and said that Indians are the best. Rajan said that Sachin scored 200 runs and took two important wickets. But in the last inning, when he was trying to take a catch, he fell down and injured his arm. The next day, it was announced in the news headlines that Sachin was out of the game for the next 2 weeks. 2 weeks later, Raju visited hospital for the checkup. The doctor checked his leg and said that it was healing quickly. Now he was recovering. The nurse put a fresh plaster around his leg. Raju came back to the waiting room while his mother went to complete some other work. The nurse said to Raju that 2 weeks more and he would be playing cricket again. He would be all right by 2 weeks. A man was sitting behind Raju. He asked Raju if he liked cricket. As Raju's leg was placed on a stool, he was not able to turn back. He could not look back who was asking this question. Although he replied that he loved cricket and one day he wanted to be a great cricketer like Sachin. The man laughed and again asked if he liked Sachin. Suddenly, the nurse called out for the next patient. The man behind Raju stood up and was visible to Raju. Raju shouted, "Sachin," with a surprise and called out his mother. He was surprised that Sachin has come in front of him. Actually, Sachin had come to get his injured arm checked. Raju and his mother talked for a while with Sachin, and at last Raju asked Sachin, "Will you give me your autograph?" Sachin replied, "Of course, I will." Sachin wrote on his plaster, "To Raju from his hero, all the best, Sachin Tendulkar." After that, Sachin got into the doctor's cabin to meet the doctor. 2 weeks later, when the plaster was removed from Raju's leg, what he did, he hung that plaster on which autograph of Sachin was there. He hung that plaster in his room, and every morning before going to school, he looked at Sachin's autograph. His dream was true of getting the autograph of Sachin, of his favorite player Sachin. So this was the summary of the chapter, and the message that we got from this lesson is dream on, dream comes true. Thank you, students.